So when I was telling you that it's in everything, I was telling the truth. Because it's in everything. I don't know. Do you see a 13? I see a one-dimensional line around some letters and 3 vases. I see 8 letters, which are like a circled 7, which would make that 7 triply circled for the n plus 1, and the n plus 2. 110. Hey, look. Since 1950. Yeah, it's like it's like a 1x5 galaxy and a 1x4 galaxy. One is of letters, one is of numbers, and they're in a universe. And even that universe has a circle around it because the orange is there. But even look at this. The label is clear plastic. So it's like a circle and a circle with space with a bunch of other stuff, and then another circle with stuff in the space. Isn't that interesting? And hey, look, it even has a little R in a circle. What's that? A circled 18 is a 19 is an S. A circled 18 is a circled 1 beside a circled 01. Or not really. Here, let's do that. What does R circled mean? Jeez. I don't know. R circled is equal to 18 circled. You know? As a 1. 18 is not going to be divided. That's 19. Okay, what is that? That looks like a 1, 0, 0. Put together with the singularity in a circle. Looks like a 5. You know? It's a 19. It's a 1 and a circled 0, 1. Okay. It's 110, guy. You know? Like a 1 is equal to a 5 is equal to a 9 is equal to 110. It's not hard. It really isn't hard here. Okay, you know what else isn't hard? This stuff. Look. I can say 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. Or I can write it like this. The same way I can write Armageddon of 1 of 1 of 4 of 5 of 6 of 0. Or I can write that as 2 of 4 of 5 of 6 of 0. Or I can write that because I know that a 0 is equal to a 1 is equal to a 2. 3 of 4 of 5 of 6. Okay? Not hard. So, if you don't understand that Game of Thrones is a depiction of energy, I don't know what to say, guy. Okay? The dragons are like Avatar. Okay? Daenerys Targaryen can ride the dragon, which is obviously a symbol for energy. Okay? You have to understand Genesis 1 of Game of Thrones before you understand anything else. You know? What happens in the beginning of Game of Thrones? Every episode, they give you a little tour of cellular Earth. Like, go look it up. Look at the vases. There's a top green, a bottom orange, and the handle. 1, 2, 3. Hey, look. There's 3 little lines on each vase for like shiny parts. And look, there's a one-dimensional sine wave squiggly line thing going through it. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, which is 7. And it's all encircled because look. Look. It's circled. Each vase is circled. So that's a circled 7, a circled 7, and a circled 7. 3 circled 7s are all in a circle with 8 little guys in the circle. 8 little guys in this circle is a 9. There's your 7 in a circle. And there's your 3 for your 3, 7, and 9. I mean, I Does that help? I hope so.